What's up guys, Cody from KHC here today, and man do I have a treat. We have a Ford Raptor Gen 3 to be exact, and the customer wants to put on a new set of wheels, and man do I love the set that he picked. He picked a Vossen in gloss black, and he's gonna wrap them in 37-inch Nitto tires. Let's hop on in the truck, get it on over to the shop so we can start working on it. And just like that, guys, we are good to go. Customer is on his way, ready to pick this thing up. The Gen 3 Raptor looks awesome with these Vossen wheels wrapped in the Nitto tires. STI components are in, and man, may I just say that this thing turned out killer. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It is time for me to get this Raptor back to its proper owner, and maybe leave a comment down below on what type of wheel and tire package you guys will put on your Raptor. And as always, please follow us on all of our social media channels, and we'll see you guys in the next one.